Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off screen time. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and open settings. Here in the settings, what you need to do is simply scroll all the way down and tap on the screen time. Here in the screen time, as you can see that the daily average is 3 hours and 28 minutes, and you can also see the app activities. But if you want to turn it off, so what you need to do is simply scroll all the way down, and here you can see turn off app and website activity. Simply tap on it, then tap on turn off app and website activity, and now the screen time activity will be removed. As you can see, it will be no longer recorded. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching.